Continuation of lesson 1. Sources of human evolution. We have already seen about fossils and bones and cave paintings. Now we will see about tools and utensils. Many tools and utensils which belong to the prehistoric period have been found. It has been found by the archaeologists. An archaeologist is a person who studies the remains of the past. I repeat, an archaeologist is a person who studies the remains of the past. It is the archaeologists who have found the remains of the past. They only have found these tools and utensils which were used in the past. Nowadays, if we compare the tools used in present with the tools used in the past, we would see that there is a huge difference, because the tools which we use today in the present times are much sharper and finer than the tools used in the prehistoric period, as they were made from stone. So they did not have a proper and fine shape, not sharper, and many more things. But the prehistoric man used the same tools for doing various activities like cutting meat, bones, chopping fruits and roots, also removing the skins of animals and many other things. Some tools were also attached with handles, whereas some were not. Now, if we see the present tools, we will see that the handles which the tools have right now in the present time maybe are made of plastic or fine materials, finished products, fiber or any other material. But during those times, these materials were not available. But the Stone Age man made these handles with whatever materials they had. What materials did they have at that time? They had bones and only wood. So all these handles were made from bones and wood. They also made arrows and spears for hunting animals. And they hunted animals and they ate it. Now, after completing the tools and utensils, we will see the last topic of the chapter, that is life of early humans. What kind of life did the early humans live? The early humans led a nomadic life, which means they moved from one place to another in search of food and shelter. They were hunter-gatherers. Hunter-gatherers means they hunted as well as gathered. They hunted animals and birds. They also collected, gathered the fruits from trees, seeds, roots, eggs of different birds they found, and then ate them. The early humans had to live a very difficult and a hard life. In the present times, we are very much lucky. Why? Because we live a very comfortable and easy life. We wear colorful and comfortable clothes of our choice. But the early humans never wore clothes. And they also lived on the top of trees or the caves. They did not have buildings and apartments and homes like us as we stay. They would use the skins of different animals to cover their bodies. The animal skins were used by early man to cover their bodies. Gradually and gradually, slowly and slowly, as the progress was done, they learned to make better tools. When they made better tools, it became easier for them to do hunting. Now, in this lesson, we will just see in short what have we studied. We have studied about the evolution of man, the different stages of human evolution, the 4 stages, that is the Australopithecus, the Homo erectus, the Neanderthals and the Homo sapiens. We also studied the gradual change in each of these stages. Then we also studied about the different sources or evidences of human evolution. In these sources, we saw fossils and bones, cave paintings, tools and utensils, and then lastly, we saw the life of early humans. As we have completed the chapter, now we will discuss with the exercises behind the textbook. First, we will start with the true or false. Now, children, just note down the answers. The first one, human beings evolved about 6 million years ago. First, true or false, human beings evolved about 6 million years ago. The answer is true. The answer is true. I repeat, the answer is true. The second, true or false, apes, rats and chimpanzees are considered to be the ancestors of human beings. Answer is false, because the ancestors of human beings are considered to be the apes and not rats. I repeat, second answer is false. Third, Homo erectus could walk over long distances. Answer is true. Homo erectus could walk over long distances. Answer is true. Yes, Homo erectus could walk over long distances. Fourth, people who study fossils are known as paleontologists. Answer is true. I repeat, fourth answer is true. Fifth, all modern human beings belong to the species Homo sapiens. Answer is true. All modern human beings belong to the species Homo sapiens. Answer is true. After completing with the true or false, we will see the answers for fill in the blanks. Please note down. Now, the first fill up, dash had both human and ape-like features. Answer is Australopithecus. Australopithecus. I repeat, Australopithecus. Second, the study of fossils is called dash. The study of fossils is called dash. Answer is paleontology. Paleontology. I repeat, Paleontology. Third fill-ups. Dash and bones were the main source of evidence that helped to trace the evolution of human beings. Answer is fossils. F capital OSSILS. Fossils. FOSSILS. Fourth, dash is the general name for all early humans. Hominids. 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 Fifth, the early humans painted on the dash. Answer is cave walls. CAVE, cave, WALLS, walls, cave walls. After completing with the fill-ups, now we will see the mind map. In the mind map, 4 columns are given, 1, 2, 3, 4, and some stages of human evolution are given. Now, what you have to write? 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 different stages of human evolution. And I'm sure you might be able to write it because it is given in the textbook. You just have to copy it down. Now we will see the question and answers. Answer the following questions. What is evolution? Question number 1. What is evolution? Question number 1. The answer is on page number 1. First paragraph. First line. Mark it. Evolution is the process by which different kinds of living organisms are believed to have developed from earliest forms to the present form. I repeat, evolution is the process by which different kinds of living organisms are believed to have developed from earliest forms to the present form. Close the bracket. Question number 2. Second question. What is human evolution? Again, the answer is again on page number 1, immediately after the first answer. That is the 5th line. Human evolution is the process by which modern human beings are believed to have developed from ape-like ancestors. It is commonly believed that humans have evolved from apes. Close the bracket. Answer number 2, second answer. Human evolution is the process by which modern human beings are believed to have developed from ape-like ancestors. It is commonly believed that humans have evolved from apes. Question number 3 now. List out the stages of human evolution. This answer is also again on page number 1. Different stages of human evolution paragraph. Human evolution has gone through many stages. First one, Australopithecus. Second, Homo erectus. Turn the page, page number 2. Third one, Homo neanderthals or the Neanderthals. And the fourth is Homo sapiens. Only you have to write the main heading. You do not have to describe it. Only one word. Put number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and the answer is complete. Okay? You just have to write the different stages of human evolution and write all the different stages 1, 2, 3, 4. Finished. Now, question number 4. Write a few lines on the life of early humans. Children, this answer we will discuss later as it is not given directly in the textbook. After that, we will move on to the 5th question. List the sources or evidences of human evolution. This answer is on page number 3. First paragraph, sources or evidences of human evolution. In that paragraph, the first line, archaeologists, scientists and historians have found different sources such as fossils, bones, cave paintings, tools, utensils to trace human evolution. Cut that and so on. 3 words you have to cut. Just strike it out with a pencil. I repeat. Answer number 5. Archaeologists, scientists and historians have used different sources such as fossils, bones, cave paintings, tools, utensils to trace human evolution. With this, we have done with all the 5 answers. Next, give reasons. Again, the first answer we will do it later on. The second answer, you can mark it in the book itself. Give reasons for the following. Second one, early humans are referred to as hunter-gatherers. Give reasons. Second question, early humans are referred to as hunter-gatherers. This answer is on page number 4. The early humans led a nomadic life. Cut this means they moved from place to place in search of food and shelter. They hunted wild animals and birds and gathered fruits, roots, nuts and seeds and eggs for food. They used stones which were sharpened for hunting and digging the ground for roots and hence are said to be hunter-gatherers. After roots, you have to write with pencil these 4-5 words. What are those? After roots, write and hence are said to be hunter-gatherers. Children, just make the necessary changes. I am repeating the answer once again. The early humans led a nomadic life. They moved from place to place in search of food and shelter. They hunted wild animals and birds and gathered fruits, roots, nuts, seeds and eggs for food. They used stones which were sharpened for hunting and digging the ground for roots and hence are said to be hunter-gatherers. With this, we have done with the question and answers.